Greetings from the homeland. I'm sorry to hear, what's the name, your cousin, right? Ashley? He's coming to stay with you again. I hope she doesn't do anything to ruin your life. You know, like, tell everyone about Ace Lightning. Which reminds me, when am I gonna meet him? I'm still not convinced this superhero bloke is real. And I'm your best mate.
He might have come out of my video game, but he's as real as you or me, Pete. But you know, right now, I'm more worried about Lord Fear. You never know where his next attack will come from.
Yes! Wow! Yay!
And Fiona, that clown won't fall over. This game is stupid.
Hey, pipe down, will you, kid?
You should give her another turn.
Hey, we got a winner here. Here you go. Here's a prize, okay? Just don't go around telling everybody what a big softy I am, all right? Bye.
Today's a big day, Bunny. I won you, and I lost a tooth, see?
Let's go and see what else they've got.
Don't you love these mortal children, my lady? They're so innocent, so easy to trick and defeat.
You can take the mortal. Just give me sparks so I can send her into white-hot oblivion.
Do I detect a note of jealousy?
You detect revenge.
Yes, we shall have our revenge. By tonight, we'll have the amulet, and we'll have destroyed Ace Lightning's sidekick once and for all.
No! I hate this part of the job.
It's hard to take a stand. It's hard to do what's right. No matter how scared you are, you have to stand and fight. And we don't have to play this game all alone, 'cause there's a hero. There's a hero in us all. It wakes a hero in us all.
Now, is the red plug audio or video?
I don't know. But I guess the red plug goes in the red socket.
Red plug. Ah, makes sense. Right. Try it now.
I guess it's audio!
Right. Hello? We can't come to the phone right now. Please, leave a message.
Hey, kid, are you there? It's Ace.
Hang on, Dad. I'm gonna go upstairs and get my video game.
All right.
Raymond! Turn it down!
Oh. Did you say something, dear?
I said, hurry up and get dressed. We're going to be late for dinner.
Right, quite right, dear. I'll just finish fixing the telly. Right.
What's this?
It's a trap. I set it. I'm going to capture the Tooth Fairy.
No offense, Ashley, but you're somewhat of a blister.
Now you stay right here, Mrs. Bunny Rabbit, and watch out for the Tooth Fairy.
Oh, I'm watching, all right. Tooth fairies.
It's blasting time!
All right. Just stay focused and keep your eye on the target.
Almost.
All right. You need more patience, Sparks. Steady your aim.
Come on, come on! Let me try again, Ace. This is almost as much fun as kicking Lord Fear's butt.
But it's not nearly as much fun as I'll have kicking yours, Missy.
Mark, look, you're in charge. And remember, the restaurant's telephone number is by the phone. And Peter's on its way, and relax and have fun.
Yeah, just, chill, dude.
Dad, have you been speaking to Chuck again?
Peace out. Come on.
Yeah, bye.
Peace out? What's that supposed to mean?
Oh, it's just American talk, darling. Yeah, just keeping it real.
They can keep that crummy costume. Let Pigface dress up next time. Hey! I always wanted one of these.
Time to annihilate that meddlesome sidekick.
Good Lord! Pigface ready to eat a lightning night.
Yeah, say, Lord Fear, is this gonna take long? Because, old Duff's getting pretty hungry himself.
Listen, you bumbling oaf. You stay here and don't move until we return.
Thank you. I mean, sorry, oh evil one. I don't need any food. Alls I need is a...
Shut up! Another mortal. Where's the rat? He should have opened the door by now.
Chuck, you remember my cousin Ashley?
Sure. Yo, what's up, Ashley?
Chucky, you got videos?
Yep,
Excellent. Any good ones?
definitely.
Oh, yes. The House of Blood-Sucking Terror. I love this one.
Sounds pretty gory.
I know. Here it's got some awesome special effects. Ooh, there's this really gross decapitation scene. It's
Chuck, I don't think Ashley wants to.
Cool.
Thanks.
Get in there, you porcine puffball!
Suck it in, you slithering swine!
Put your back into it!
Pigface big! Not Pigface fault! Oh.
Blimey, what a stench!
After you, piggy. Get in there, rump roast.
What was that?
Surround sound, dude. This TV kicks.
Still, I think I better go check.
Yeah. Oh, Pigface not feel good. Uh-oh. Oh.
This is sweet. Hanging with my best bud, watching horror flicks. Doesn't get much better than this.
Gotcha! And I've got you.
Huh?
You should have stayed in the 6th dimension, little girl. You don't belong here with Ace. He's way out of your league.
Here's a news flash, lady. I'm taking you downtown.
Ah, a portal.
Ow! I'm blooming sideways. If I might suggest, your lordship.
Find your own way in.
Oh, crikey!
Don't be scared, Ashley. It's all good. It's mellow. All that blood's just ketchup. I think.
Wow, is that really what a vampire's insides look like?
Big face smell food. Hungry. Where food? What's this?
Now what?
It's cool! It's cool! Nobody panic!
Hey, it's just like the movie.
It's probably a fuse. I'll go see.
Get down! What was that?
I don't know.
Don't worry. Chucky's here for you.
Okay, but can you let go? I can't breathe.
It's blown all right. If I were a fuse, where would I be? In the toolbox in the garage.
Face it, little girl. You're in over your head.
Speaking of heads, did anyone ever tell you your hair looks like roadkill?
So, now it's personal.
Personal? It's always been personal with you and Ace, hasn't it?
It was till you arrived.
You don't have to cover your eyes, Chucky. It's too dark to see anything anyhow. Somebody's at the door.
No, don't answer it! It could be psycho vampires or something.
Hey, maybe it's the tooth fairy. I'm going upstairs to check on my tooth.
Don't leave me! I mean, you should stay here, Ashley. On second thought, I'm coming with you. Maybe psycho vampires can't climb stairs.
Anybody home? I got the pizza you ordered.
Pizza!
Forget the tip.
Pig face like pizza? Yeah.
What's this? I'm stuck in here. Pig face! Pig face, where are you? Help me, staff. My loyal staff! Save me!
That's better.
Help! Somebody get me out!
Here.
Sweet. This must be the British version of Ace Lightning.
Yeah. Maybe we should change the channel.
Get up, you fool!
It's time for a clean sweep.
Think of a happy place. Think of a happy place.
No, yes, move. Hello, hello, hello.
I saw the tooth fairy coming out of the toilet. She was really ugly, like a head on a stick.
That's no tooth fairy. That's staff head.
My mommy calling me! Coming, Mom!
Pardon me for dropping in.
Oh, whoa. That was a blast and a half. Sparks.
Gotcha!
No!
Oh no. Ace! Oh. Ace, I'm sorry, man. I thought you were Lady Illusion.
What did you do to him?
What did I do? Hello? You're the one who tried to send him into oblivion.
I wasn't gonna hurt him. I just wanted him out of the way so I could destroy you.
Oh, this is getting to be a habit. Lady Illusion.
Ace.
Sparks. What's wrong with this picture?
The only thing wrong with it is her. I'll see you again.
Yeah, morph in anytime.
Wait, did Mark ever call us back?
Big face eat pizza. Big face happy.
Shut up, you fool. Dumb. Take us to the carnival. This lightning knight can't be defeated. For now.
Your lordship! Wait for me!
What a mess. Parents are gonna freak. Where's a superhero when you really need one?
You called? Sorry I missed all the fun, but it looks like you took care of business on your own. Nothing left for me to do, except clean up the place.
Ace, you're a superhero. You don't clean.
Hey, kid, chores are chores.
got a funny feeling about this, Fiona.
Ace.
Don't have to tell me twice, kid. It's time to fly.
Thanks.
Mark? Everything all right?
Yeah, sure, Dad. Everything's just fine. It's another quiet night at home.
Did I hear the vacuum running?
No. No, it must have been the telly. We were watching the cleaning channel.
Oh. You all right, Ashley?
So, Dad, how's dinner?
Oh, it's a very strange restaurant. I mean, they advertised classic American cuisine. They didn't even have hot dogs on the menu.
Oh, there's a message. Weren't you getting the telephone, Mark?
Hey, kid, are you there? It's Ace. Watch your back tonight. I got a feeling you might have some unexpected guests.
What in heaven's name? Who's this Ace person?
Dunno, Mum. Must have been a wrong number.
So, how's my new baby?
I think your baby's broken.
I don't believe this. Oh, they've sold me a defective telly. I mean, there's no way I'm going to pay them for this piece of junk. I'm going to take it back to the shop straight away.
Simon, have you heard of someone named Ace? He's left the strangest message.
Ace? No, I know an Abe. We played football together in my school days.
I know who Ace is. Ace works for the Tooth Fairy. He called to say she's coming tonight because I lost a tooth.
Tooth Fairy? There's no...
Simon, Ashley's right. Perhaps we should leave the door open for when the Tooth Fairy arrives.
Oh, right, yeah. Tooth Fairy, yes.
Tooth Fairy.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Right, then.
What a night, Pete. Lord Fear and his gang came to my house. There's no place left to hide now. I can't escape him. I'll just have to stand and fight. But I'm starting to realize there are some things worth fighting for. Like protecting people who can't protect themselves. That's it for now. Good night, Pete.